Hot or cold? This is an activity about measuring differences and giving a value to quantify. When is it hot? When is it cold? How do you decide? The data logger and plug-in temperature sensor give a value to statements like it's too hot or it's much colder. You are building on the idea of using numbers to define similarity or differences. The learning experiences covered in this activity are numbers and counting, quantity, collecting data and drawing tables of data, making comparisons, how to decide hot and cold. First of all, connect the plug-in temperature sensor to View. Then, connect View to the computer, open the EasySense software and select Pictogram. Click on Stop and then New. Check that the temperature range is suitable and then deselect all of the built-in sensors. Select Vertical and Bar. Click on Start and place the temperature sensor in a cup of hot water. Check the children understand what the rising bar means and why the temperature stops eventually going up. Get the class to suggest something cold for a comparison, such as cold water, and then test. Use the data to talk about hot and cold. Measure the temperature differences of different objects or areas. Select Store if you want to keep a reading. See if you can get the class to decide when they judge it to be hot or cold. Remember, this feeling is subjective. Discuss examples of when this matters. For example, when setting the thermostat to control a room's temperature or deciding what to wear. Try to get them to use words in their correct form. Freezing for when a liquid turns to a solid, not just when it's very cold. And boiling when a liquid turns to a gas, not when it's just very hot.